All right, I'm gonna go on a rant, but I'm gonna do that after I show you guys my weekly earnings, because I was rewatching my video. I'm like, bro, I'm ranting so hard. I didn't even get to the weekly earnings and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go to drop that right quick. All right, as you guys can see, I have 5,800 that I made this week. Company takes a 20% cut, so it's gonna be around 4,600. So yeah, that's amazing, man. I didn't do a single thing, almost $1,000 a day, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and actually move to the rant though, because I gotta let you guys know just how I really feel about this bot. This bot is the best bot of Forex. There's no if, buts, or what about it at this point, honestly speaking. Come on, man. It hasn't lost a trade since November. Are you joking? Now, I started 2 weeks ago with 0 losses, and this thing is amazing. All right, 72K, now I'm at 82K, and wow. People don't really understand. Some people are like, oh man, it's only 1% a day. See, it's not about how much you making, it's about how you making it, right? And this is just the beginning. Understand the power of compound interest is the reason why this is a game changer for us, right? Because it's on autopilot. This bot hasn't lost since November, and it's just been consistent. Even when it does lose, by the way, I gotta go ahead and mention, even when they do lose, it doesn't even affect. Literally, I checked back in the previous records, right? When they lose, it's equivalent to like a single win. That's insane, bro. That's beautiful. That's the reason why they have less than 1% drawdown. And you can verify this yourself on their MyFX book. I mean, this is crazy. How many courses have you paid for where they say, yeah, we'll teach you how to trade, and you don't make money, but you're still paying that $400 a month. And you're just wondering, like, what is the point of this, man? All right, and that's why Forex has such a bad name. So when you have a bot that trades for you, you just pay one-time fee, and they only take 20% of their cut. It's like, whoa, hold up. You telling me I don't need any trading experience? Nope. None? Zero. I am probably the worst trader here, if I'm being quite honest. I'll go ahead and confess. I am the worst trader here. I will blow my account that I have 70K in 3 seconds, maybe 2, all right, on a good day. You know what I mean? Like, I'm telling you, bro, I am literally the worst trader. But this bot is trading for me. See, why do people fail in the Forex market? Is it because it's so difficult, right? Is it because the technical analysis is just something that we can't comprehend? Nope. You can ask the most experienced traders. They'll tell you mostly it's the mindset. We get too greedy, lack of discipline. We get too scared. These things are the reason why most people fail. All right, the emotions, they get in the way. It doesn't matter how incredible your strategy is. I don't care if you're winning in a demo account. Go in a live account and see how you react. You get nervous. You start messing up. You're like, this is too much. You don't let it hit take profit, but you let it hit stop loss. I mean, these are all the things that happen, and that's why people are like, man, this ain't it, man, right? So when you have a bot that's like, yo, step aside, okay? No emotions. I'm gonna go ahead and do your thing, man. In and out, boom, there you go. I mean, if you're not losing sleep with this, I don't really know. Okay, like I said, it's not about how much you make it, it's how you making it. And with enough time, with enough prayers, honestly, because I'm praying about this, like for real, we can all literally have 6 figures, 7 figures, some even 8 figures in 3 years. Okay, if you have patience, man. So I'm praying that these people stick with it and it keeps going and it's protected. And man, because this right here, there's no opportunity that I've been in that literally everybody's winning. Everybody? So you mean that man over there, Michael, he's winning too? Mm-hmm. James over there? Mm-hmm. So you telling me Carl, the guy that's never traded in his life, he's winning too? Mm-hmm. I mean, come on. Like, what is there to really complain about? Right? Like I said, it's not 100% risk-free. The only one thing that I wish we could have is a way to secure our funds. That way, in the case that something does happen, you know, we still have our capital. That is my only wish, honestly speaking. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys can agree, right? That is the biggest risk. But other than that, everything else is just so good. The bot works, man. The bot works. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, I got to go ahead and rant. I'm going to start doing this honestly often because I literally talk about this thing to myself. I'm not weird, I promise. But I literally talk about this like to myself nonstop because like I just cannot believe we literally have this opportunity right here in front of us. Like, bruh, what? All right. But yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.